When everything lines up, we're going to put a little bit of glue in each of the holes. And lightly put a clamp around it. We're also going to put a clamp around the top portion where our short apron connects. And when we do this, we want to make sure that our short apron is centered on our leg. And then we can add a couple pocket screws. And when our pocket screws have been installed, we can remove the clamp around our short apron, but we're going to leave the clamp around our lower support for 24 hours.